Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how to enter the pairing mode on your headphones. So at first you need to prepare your headphones. Make sure that they are powered off. As you can see, this is the light, they need to be powered off. And here, let's get started. Hold this button, this multifunctional one, this one, over here, for at least, I would say, 5 to 10 seconds, till you hear the voice prompt pairing. Now, this LED light when it's red and blue means that we are now in the pairing mode. We should see our headphones here in the available devices list now. That's how it works. Bye!